everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well, and if it's your first time coming to our channel, we welcome you. So please do take a seat and see what we are going to do today. So today we are going to do Ebunu. Yeah, Ebunu, which is cocoyam leaf soup. So green. So today what we have here, we have our snails. We have smoked snails. We couldn't find the new one, so we have smoked snail. We have our precursor here, and we have our smoked grilled mackerel. We have one smoked fish, ajine, and then we have mushroom and crab underneath. We have okra here, tomatoes, Scotch bonnets, and stock cube. And then here we have onion, ginger, and aniseed and garlic, and we're going to blend. And also here we have our cocoyam leaves and insusua here, yeah. And then here we have our meat. We have goat meat and turkey, smoked turkey that we're going to use. I have diced onion in there. So now I'm going to blend the mixture: onion, garlic, and ginger. I'm going to add the mixture here, and add also the pepper and the tomatoes. The tomatoes, I need just one because I want my soup to be green as possible. So, okay, this is the cocoyam leaves. It's cooked. I have cooked it for 5 minutes, and I have added cold water and ice cube inside the water, so you keep it green. Yeah. So when it's not green, your soup doesn't look nice, and I want my soup to be very green. Yeah. So this is it. I'm taking the pepper and tomatoes and blend them together and put them back into my soup. So I'm going to add the snail, the smoked snail, in here. And also the fish, the dry fish as well in there. Now I'm going to blend my tomatoes and so now we are going to blend our insusua, insusua with the tiger berry now. So now we are going to blend our insusua with the tiger berry now. I'm gonna add the crab and the mushrooms in here. That's it. There. I'm going to add my precursor as well here and there. I have the shrimp here. I'm gonna add that as well. I didn't put too much. I put a little bit of salt earlier because the smoked turkey is salty already, so I didn't want to put any more salt into it. Not too much, just a tiny bit. And then I'm adding that now. And also going to add a tiger berry. I have my strainer here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it like that, so I won't have the seeds in there. Okay, so this is it. Add a bit of prawn powder, and that will give a nice taste and nice smell. And I'm just going to cover this and leave it to cook, and I will add the rest. Leave it for 5 minutes. Blend the cocoyam leaves here. I have added a bit of water into it, about a cup of water into the cocoyam. I'm going to blend it smooth. So now I'm going to add the mackerel, the grilled mackerel. into my soup. It smells so good. Oh, I wish you are here to smell this. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna add just 2, not all of it, just 2. 2 is enough. We have enough of everything in there. Right. Okay, I've blended the spinach, or no, the cocoyam leaf. This is how it looks like. So now I'm going to add this to my soup. See, my soup is almost done, so I'm not gonna leave the cocoyam leaf for too long. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to put everything in there. Oh, look at this, how beautiful this looks. Look at that. See, oh wow, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, look at this. So I'm just gonna leave it for 5 minutes and then it's ready. So this is how our soup look like. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. Yeah, it's all cooked and everything, and it's still green. Here I have made a bit of fufu here, so I'm going to serve our soup. You see how nice the soup looks like. Look at that. Beautiful. Our fish. A bit of crab as well, turkey, and also some mushrooms here, and also dry fish, smoked fish here, and a bit of goat meat as well. There, isn't it beautiful? You sure pass a mom is a Ghana in it. Look at this contumely papebi. Look at that. And then we have our okra also here. See? Now you can't even see my fufu. Everything, all the beautiful stuff I have. Nicely. So it's done. So what do you think, guys? I'm sure you like this. Beautiful, and we're going to enjoy this. Thank you for coming today. I hope you'll be sitting down watching us today and taking all the pieces that we have put in this soup, and then you try and make yours. Thank you for coming. Have a blessed day, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and give us a thumbs up and comment, please. Thank you. Bye.